Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on Moto G45. Let's begin! First, we want to simply make sure that our screen rotation is enabled. We can do that by expanding our control center twice and then checking auto rotate. Now, if you don't see that little panel, we can always click pencil icon, find it here, and simply click and drag it to have it in our control center. Now you will notice that currently it is disabled. This means that if we would go to application that supports both modes, if we pick up phone and try to rotate it, nothing will happen. We'll see a little icon and we can click that icon to manually rotate our phone, but that's not it. We want to rotate it automatically. Well, luckily for us, we can expand our control panel once again and simply hit auto rotate on. Now, if we rotate our phone, everything should be working pretty smoothly. However, there is still a chance that something is not good with your phone, that you still encounter some sort of bugs or issues or whatever, and if that's the case, I would just advise you to reboot your device, and you can do that by pressing and holding the power button and then clicking restart. Now I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, rebooting your device not only resets your software, but hardware as well, including gyroscope, which is directly responsible for, you guessed it, the screen rotation feature. So if you have any troubles, you can just give your phone a little reboot. It's a nice practice and it's good to do it from time to time. And also, you want to remember that not every application supports both modes. For example, many games only support one mode, like Clash Royale only being played in portrait mode, and Call of Duty Mobile or Genshin Impact or whatever else only being played in the landscape mode. So keep that in mind, make sure that auto rotate is enabled, and you should be good to go. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.